Hi friends, welcome to AJ's Curious Corner. Today we're going to have so much fun counting together. Can you count with us? Let's go! Can you count the bouncing ball? That's right! 1 bouncing ball. How many playful puppies do you see? That's right! 2 puppies. Can you count the buzzing bees? Great job! 3 buzzing bees. How many colorful kites do you see? That's right, 4 flying kites. Whee! Can you count the jumping frogs? Yes, 5 froggy friends. How many yummy ice cream cones do you see? 6 delicious ice creams. Can you count the twinkling stars? Yes, 7 shining stars. Twinkle, twinkle. How many wiggly octopuses do you see? Yay! 8 octopuses waving hello. Can you count the cars? That's right, 9 cars. Let's race! How many happy balloons do you see? Yes, 10 floating balloons. Up, up, and away. Wasn't that fun? Let's count one more time together. This time, say the numbers with me. 1 bouncing ball. Can you say 1? 2 playful puppies. Say 2. 3 buzzing bees. Say 3. 4 flying kites. Say 4. 5 jumping frogs. Say 5. 6 yummy ice creams. Say 6. 7 shining stars. Say 7. 8 wiggly octopuses. Say 8. 9 zooming cars. Say 9. 10 floating balloons. Say 10. You did an amazing job counting today. High five. Let's do one last quick count before we go. Ready? Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, you're an awesome counter. Thanks for learning with us today on AJ's Curious Corner. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.